Hey YouTubers, I just wanted to give you a quick rundown on this Champion RV Series compressor from Pacific Air. I searched and searched for the right compressor for the job and ended up going with this one for a couple of different reasons. It's got a great CFM, almost 26 CFMs at 175 PSI. Shuts down at I think around 160, 165. And it's hard piped with 3/4 inch galvanized piping. Not real crazy about that regulator dryer setup. I mean, it wasn't cheap, but it's not the best. And it seems to work. I think it's leaking a little bit, but what I do is I turn that ball valve off when I'm done, and it holds pressure, and all I do is open it back up. But it's a very quiet compressor. It only takes, from an empty tank, it'll fill up in like 3 minutes, which is really surprising. It's a 4-cylinder 2-stage. It's got an aftercooler on the back of it that cools the air considerably before it hits the tank. And I've got these water traps down at the bottom. They're ball valves behind there, and I hit those before I do any blasting or whatever, and I've never seen any air come out. I don't know if you can see, there's an aftercooler back there. But yeah, and I've never seen it spit out of the automatic tank valve. It's hardwired with a 50 amp breaker, and the lights don't dim or anything like that. I'm very, very impressed with the results I'm getting from this thing. When I'm doing my blasting over there, I get I don't know, 3 or 4 minutes maybe before she kicks on. Maybe not quite that much, but it refills or replenishes so quickly that, I don't know, 2 to 3 more minutes of blasting, she kicks on for a minute. But yeah, I'm very, very impressed. And the service at Pacific Air with Mike Hennegren, I think is his name, super guy. Yeah, I mean, this is a really, really good compressor. It's a 7.5 horse compressor with a 15 horse pump that's been slowed down, so it only runs like 600 RPMs or something. And yeah, I mean, let's listen to it. I'm gonna drop the valve here. It's gonna be loud because these things are kind of loud when you drain some air. Yeah, I am very impressed with this thing. I couldn't be happier. I'm about to add another blast cabinet. It's going to be a vapor home cabinet. but it's going to be sitting over here. But yeah, if you're looking for a really good compressor, it's not super expensive. You know, I would say go with the VR Series Champion. It's a beast of a compressor. I think it can handle any needs that you need to do. All right, thanks for looking.